Hello techies, welcome back to Power Automate Desktop Tutorials. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to set an active Excel worksheet by using Set Active Excel Worksheet action. Now, in this tutorial, we will learn how to get active Excel worksheet. Let me show you a small scenario over here. If you see on my screen, I'm having an Excel with the name of employee selection. In this Excel, I'm having three worksheets. One is employee info, HR process, employee details. Now, out of these three worksheets, I want to know which worksheet is active. How can I go ahead and get it in the Power Automate? There, we are having an action called Get Active Excel Worksheet. What is the purpose of this Get Active Excel Worksheet action? It retrieves an Excel document which is currently in active state of the worksheet. All right. Now I have cleared the workflow. Let me drag and drop this Get Active Excel Worksheet onto the workspace. Now over here you can see Excel instance is only the single parameter which we have in the Get Active Excel Worksheet. It retrieves only the active worksheet name and then it will store in the sheet name as sheet name flow variable and index will be stored in the sheet index. All right, let me click on save. Over here, if you see in Launch Excel, I have used the document path as employee selection.xlx file, which I have just shown you. All right. Now, to display the active worksheet, what I will do, I will use display message. Let me drag and drop this display message onto the workspace. And after that, I'm going to give the title as Excel Actions. And after that, I want to display the name of the active worksheet. How can I go ahead and do that? There we have stored in the sheet name flow variable. I'm going to select that by clicking on the variables. And then I'm going to select sheet name. And then I'm going to click on save. Now, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. And you can see over here, employee details. As an active Excel worksheet, we got it as the employee details. Let's click on OK. Now, if you see over here, the highlighted one, the active one is the employee details. All right. Now we have seen what is the active Excel worksheet, right? Now, if I want to set another Excel sheet as active, then what we'll do, we'll use Set Active Excel Worksheet action. Let me drag and drop this Set Active Excel Worksheet action onto the workspace after Get Active Excel Worksheet. And then I'm going to give the name as employee info. Okay, and click on save. Now I'm changing a reorder over here as Get Active, making it after setting the active Excel worksheet. All right. And then let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. And then you can see over here right now, after setting the Set Active Excel worksheet as employee info, that we got the output as employee info. But previously, if you observe, if you're not setting it active Excel, by default, it got it as employee details worksheet. All right. Now, I want to know the index of that one. How can I go ahead and do that? If you see over here, the sheet index is 1. Now, I will get the same over here. Let's double click on that. And there you can see I have stored the index in the variable that is sheet index. Let's click on save. Now, I'm going to display the same over here in the display message. I'm going to select sheet index over here in the message to display, and then I'm going to click on save. Now what will happen, I'm going to display the sheet name as well as the sheet index over here in the display message. Let's run the flow. Flow execution started, and you can see employee info index as 1, it has been given. All right, let's click on OK. I hope you understand how to work with Get Active Excel Worksheet action as part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.